This is kayak camping in the Prince William Sound.
Icy Bay edition.
So last night we kept hearing this noise. It kind of sounded like, I don't know, the 4th of July, or a bunch of guns going off, fireworks. About 4 miles away, there's this factory. This factory is producing these things. It's my cup of coffee for scale. Welcome to Nassau Fjord.
Come pet that dog! Come pet that dog! I want to pet that dog!
Meet the characters. First, we have Jonalyn, the paddling instructor.
I want a clean catch, and then I want you to pull with a clean release. 1, 2. Mitch, the tour guide.
Check out that ice fall, right? Honey, look. This is low bush blueberry. Right here.
Next, we have Mandy, the cheer coordinator.
The seals are popping out. The seals are popping out. Hi-ho, Alaska. The seals are popping out. Whoa! Hello. Little bugger.
Yep, that's my wife. Paddling in a puffy jacket.
Okay, team. Ready, begin. Iceberg, iceberg, dead ahead. Paddle around or hit your head. Iceberg, iceberg, big and blue. We are in awe of you. Woo!
In this ice floe, it's super noisy.
And Greg, the documentarian.
High level. Stick it right. Mitch, wait, let me grab a camera. I need to say that again.
Well, that's a wrap for sea kayak camping in the Prince William Sound. We didn't get many shots of the camping scene, but here's some shots of the fantastic food we made. P.S. Don't forget your bug net. Bye-bye.